Hello, today I would like to introduce you to the ERSA Technologies 3D Parts Manual. For this example, we have chosen the Puritan Bennett 560, which is manufactured and sold by Medtronic. Medtronic has released this design as open source during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is an excellent opportunity for us to use their high-quality 3D models to show off our parts manual. When you first launch the parts manual, you will start with the main screen. On the top left, you have the name of the unit. On the right, you have a list of the assemblies that are found in the unit. And in the center, you have the unit itself. The mouse controls are very simple. With the left mouse, if you click and hold, you can rotate in any axis to view the unit from all sides. If you get a bit lost, you can click the middle mouse button to return to the starting position. And then if you hold the right mouse button, you can pan left and right, up and down. This becomes useful later on as you dig down inside the object. You can see here that we have a number of checkboxes. Each one of these checkboxes will remove that item from the view to see inside the machine. And then on the far right, we have plus signs. These plus signs will take you down into that assembly only. So first, let's take off the cover. That's the upper housing. I can also select it by just clicking on it. So if I want to make the upper housing transparent, I click this checkbox and now it's gone. Once again, I can rotate from all sides. With the mouse wheel, I can also zoom in. And you can see here, this is a very high quality model. We even have the spring for the latch mechanism included. So Medtronic has done an excellent job. If we want to go further, this is a screen assembly. I can remove that as well, and now have a very clear look at the lower housing or at the turbine. Now we're going to take a closer look at the turbine because it's kind of tucked in there deeply. So on the far right, again, I have this plus symbol. This will take me down to the turbine assembly. Now you can see that my parts list has changed. These are only the parts in the turbine assembly. And if I rotate again, we can see throughout what constitutes that part of the model. If we click on these, we have 4 screws that are highlighted. These are Hexalobe M3x5, and they're galvanized steel screws. Now you may need to order some, and in order to order them, you simply fill in this number here, and I'm going to order 10 screws. Then, if I come up to the clipboard, you can see that I've added an order with the part number, the quantity, the parent assembly name, and the parent assembly number. And this list can be exported either in comma delimited format, email, or it can be directly tied into the API of your ERP system. If we clear that, we can go back, and we're back at our assembly. If we want to go to the parent, on the top left, we just click PB560 ventilator, and we're back to our starting point. So we can take a look at the exhalation block assembly. This is quite simple design. Not too many parts. You've got the outside support, got the block itself, and then inside here is a conduit. There it is on the back. And once again, if we need to order more, I'm going to order 10 conduits. I don't know why, but just in case. Now they're back on our parts list and can be ordered at a click of the mouse. And that is a brief introduction to the ERSA 3D Parts Manual. Hope you liked it.